Good morning, guys. Brooks here with YNP Home Solutions. We're your local house buyer here in the tri-state area. Today's topic that we're going to cover is I have two mortgages. Are you able to buy my house, and how? This is a continuation of the 10-part video series that we've been doing over the last several days, and I believe we're at question 8 or 9. So be on the lookout for the next few, but here we go. So if you're paying on two mortgages, we're going to need to know exactly the mortgage amount, the monthly principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and obviously what type of repairs does the property need. In many cases, when I encounter this situation, the second home, or the one that you moved out of, is usually a very nice home. It was usually a job transfer, or just a sudden, you had to pick up and go, and the property that you're leaving behind usually in most cases doesn't need a lot of work. So that's a good thing. All right, now the other thing that I encounter a lot of is the mortgage is usually right at market on that second house. That will impact, how we're able to structure the deal. Okay, so if you're looking for a cash deal on the house that you've left behind or the second mortgage home, you have to have equity for us to be able to do that. Anybody that we're offering cash to has got to have the amount of equity that's needed for us to be able to buy it right for our standards, to be able to give you that big lump of sum of cash, okay? So a quick synopsis. If the house that you left behind is worth $100,000, okay, and you only owe $40,000 on it, and it doesn't need much in the way of repair, maybe $5,000, $10,000, we certainly can give you an all-cash offer for that home. Same example, the same $100,000 house you left behind. You have a $90,000 mortgage still remaining. Your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance payments are, let's just say you had a USDA loan and it's fixed 3% or whatever, and your payments are low. I don't know, $500 a month, we'll say. They could be higher than that. Let's just use $500. If that's the case, one, we cannot buy it for cash, but we're able to do like a terms deal, okay? Meaning you've left it behind, you have a mortgage in place. Wouldn't you rather us take care of the mortgage, the maintenance and repair, allow that headache to be gone and taken off of your plate? We'll use it as an investment property for our own, our own holdings. So yes, we can do that. We can take care of that monthly mortgage, and then we can cash you out at a much closer to your market value, or even market value on a terms deal. Okay, so I know it's complicated, and a lot of sellers don't understand how that can work, and this video is not going to be long enough to explain it. But the answer is yes. If you have a second home that you're paying a mortgage on, and you don't have the equity, we can still do a deal with you on that property. Okay, so answer to both ways. Yes, we can give you cash if you have the equity, and yes, we can buy the property on terms if you're willing to go that route. Okay. The other route is you rent it out yourself, or you put a property manager in place, and maybe you're in a situation where you have negative cash flow, which is never a good situation. Okay, so if you have more questions, or if you have a second property that you are paying two mortgages on, contact us before you let a bank take it. For sure, contact us maybe before you turn it over to a property manager. Maybe you didn't want to be a landlord, or maybe you're facing that negative equity situation. Don't go that route. Call us first, see if we can help you, okay? So again, my name is Brooks. I'm with YNP Home Solutions. Call us 240-244-3953. Reach out to us on the web, ynphomesolutions.com, and let one of our team members contact you. Set up an appointment to come out, look at the property. We'll give you a couple different options. You can look them over, and maybe we can just do business today. All right? So put your comments, your questions, concerns below this video, and make sure you like it, subscribe, and be looking out for tomorrow. All right, thanks, guys. Take care.